Hey everybody, Philip Thurman here with Office PLM. A few weeks ago I posted the 5 PLM don'ts and we had a massive response. It was huge. It was overwhelming. We had so many response, but a lot of you guys asked, what are the 5 PLM do's? And so here they are today, the 5 PLM do's for a mid-market company. Number one, focus on what you need and make sure the vendor demos it to you. No smoke and mirrors, no pre-recorded videos, and don't settle for, trust me, you'll get it. You know, if you don't know what you need before you get in the demo, ask for help. Get help from somebody that knows probably what you're going to need. Number two, ask to see how the CAD integration works. Is it smooth and seamless, or is it clunky and outdated? Also ask about the data migration from CAD. Is this a separate add-on project that's going to cost as much as the software does? Or can you do it yourself with the tools that they give you? Number three, ask about change management. And what is that process? What does it really do? Is it just a workflow that assigns tasks to users? Or does it really do the work of configuration management? Number four, ask about integrated workflow. Can you write scripts on Node? Can you make your workflow really powerful and automate a lot of the things that you do from day to day? Number five, ask about updates to the software. How much does it cost? Can you do it yourself? Or do you need consultants to do the work? Is it something that you're going to have to recompile all of your add-ons, or all of the customization in the code itself, and it's just a simple upgrade? These are the things that you really need to ask. You know, there are more do's that are equally important. And if these do's resonate because you're not doing, it might make sense for us to connect. So give me a thumbs up if you like this content, and comments are a good way to let me know what you want to hear. Stay tuned, because in the next couple of videos, we're going to be talking about change management. We're going to be talking about why PLM systems, big PLM systems, are dying and that are outdated. So stay tuned. Hope to see you on the channel.